In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 to Fortnite on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase two main ways in which you will be able to connect your PlayStation Network account that you use on your PlayStation 4 to your Epic Games account that you use to play Fortnite on your PC. So, if you have played previously on PC or any other platform and you have progress on your Fortnite account, you might be curious on how to connect it to PlayStation Network specifically. This way you will be able to keep all of your progress, your skins, and so on. To do this, visit the Fortnite website or the Epic Games website, whichever one you prefer. In this page, sign into your Epic Games account. So use the navigation bar at the top of the screen, and once you are properly signed in on either of these websites, just hover over your icon and select account. So once you click account on any of these pages, you will be redirected to the account management page, and you have to switch over from account settings to apps and accounts. In this category, you will be able to manage all of the accounts currently linked to Epic Games, with one of them being the PlayStation Network. As you can see, mine is already linked, so I'm gonna use Twitch as a demonstration, but all that you have to do is click connect underneath PlayStation Network. You will be redirected to another page where you have to authorize this link, and once it is done and properly authorized, you will be able to sign in with your PlayStation Network credentials to have these accounts properly linked. The next time you open up Fortnite on your PlayStation 4 and you use this Epic Games account, the link will be detected and you will be good to play. Alternatively, you can also go over to epicgames.com/activate. This page is essentially the same idea. By opening up Fortnite on any console, you will be given an activation code, and all that you have to do is input the code on this page here, and you will be able to link the currently signed in Epic Games account to the console that is displaying the code. So if this was the code on my PlayStation 4 when I opened Fortnite for the first time, I would be able to input it here and connect both accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 to Fortnite PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.